Welcome to this CompoSIDE tutorial on how to analyse a composite beam section as a cantilever beam. This will guide you through the creation of the beam from material selection, geometry creation to analysis. For this tutorial we'll use project space, CMDB, section space and FE space. Let's start by creating a product in our project. Here we should set up the product topology if required. Create a material selection in CMDB to keep the materials we are going to use organised. I will use two materials in this beam, 400 gram per square meter biaxial fabric and a 300 gram per square meter unidirectional carbon. If we're assigning a laminate to our beam, we can use laminar space, or you can skip this if you will use materials straight from CMDB. Move on to section space and define the geometry of the beam. Constraints are useful in locking dimensions and orientations of the elements. Once you have your section defined and materials or laminates applied, you can move on to FE space. In FE space, beam section length, boundary conditions and loads are defined. This cantilever beam will be 2 meters long. Use the point function to define 2 points and join them up using the line function. Convert the line into a beam and import the section properties from section space. Check the orientation by selecting Full Cross-Section Visualization in the View Beam Visualization menu. Expand loads and boundary conditions. Define a boundary condition and a load. Create a load case and calculate. You can refine your beam by going to Result Settings, Reserve Factor for beams, and hitting Calculate. Check the Global Min Reserve Factor box to view the reserve factor and click Open in section space. You can then edit the beam directly and calculate again using the load from FE space until you're happy with your reserve factors. Hit the FE space icon to go back to the model. It will prompt you to save the section and recalculate the load case. You can go through as many iterations as you want until you're happy with your design. To analyse a tapered beam, you can break down the beam into the element resolution you require and apply the corresponding sections.